Once you created a credential template, it will appear in the home section. Then we need to award the credential, so let's take a look at how can we award a credential. You can see the created credential template in the home section. Here you can see a award button, edit button, view sample button, duplicate and delete button. Click on the award button to award a credential. Once you click the award option, you can see different options to award a credential: quick award, bulk award, award using APIs. These are different options to award a credential according to your convenience. First, I will explain about quick award. Quick award is an option to award credentials with a single click. Here you just need to add the awardee's name and email it to award a credential. This is useful when you need to award a credential instantly. Next, bulk award. Suppose you need to issue credentials to a large number of people, you can have the help of bulk award. Using the CSV file you can award credentials to hundreds or 1000s of people in a single click. This will reduce your manual effort. The next option is APIs. APIs are used to issue credential automatically to a candidate, complete a program or an event by integrating your system with CertifyMe. We have API documentation and also we are available in Xavier and Integrally. These are the different options to award credentials. If you have any questions or concerns, you can reach out to us at any time. We are always here to hear you. Happy credentialing. See you with another tutorial. Bye bye.